Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add account to existing wallet in Kukai Wallet. Kukai Wallet is a popular Tezos wallet that allows you to manage multiple wallet addresses inside a single login, and if you want to create another account without logging out or creating a new wallet, Kukai makes the process very simple. In this video I show you step by step how to add an account to an existing Kukai wallet. So first you need to open to your browser, or you can simply go to your Kukai app. If you do not have a Kukai app yet, you can download it from the Play Store or the App Store, and after you can open to your Kukai wallet over here, open it using a Face ID or the password. And once you reach into this dashboard over here, what you have to do is on the top there's your profile, select there, and once you reach into this social wallets in the top right corner, we could see there's a plus icon. You need to tap on that plus icon. Over here you can find this accounts wallets. On the top you can find this add account to existing wallet. You can simply select to this add account to the existing wallet here, and you can switch between the accounts anytime. You can click the account drop down again and select the wallet address you want to use. Each account will have its own balance, tokens and the NFTs, but all will remain accessible from the same Kukai login. And that is it. By following this simple step, you can easily add multiple accounts to your existing Kukai wallet. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you have any trouble or confusion, please comment down below and we will reach out to you very soon.